In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Chrome and check for active gift link promotions, then connect with your gift recipient through web chat, and finally exchange sticker gifts or partner tokens using direct profile connections. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once Chrome is open, go to the official website or platform where the gift link promotions are usually shared. Take a moment to look through the homepage, notifications area, or any promotions section that highlights current offers. The goal here is to confirm whether there is an active gift link promotion available right now. Some promotions are only visible for a limited time, so it's a good idea to carefully read the details, including expiration dates, eligibility requirements, and any limits on how the gift can be redeemed. If a promotion is active, keep that page open so you can refer back to it as needed. Next, connect with the person who will receive the gift by using the platform's web chat feature. Open the chat section and start or continue a conversation with your recipient. This step is important because it gives you a direct way to coordinate the exchange and make sure both of you are ready at the same time. When chatting, be clear about which promotion or gift you're referring to so there is no confusion. It can also help to confirm that the recipient is logged into the correct account and able to access their profile without any issues before moving forward. Once you're both connected, move on to exchanging sticker gifts or partner tokens through direct profile connections. Open the recipient's profile from the chat or search for it directly within the platform. Make sure you are viewing the correct profile before sending anything. Then use the available gift, sticker, or token option provided by the platform to complete the exchange. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully since different platforms may label these options slightly differently. If there is a confirmation screen, review it before finalizing the action to avoid sending the item to the wrong person. As a final tip, stay within the official platform throughout the entire process and avoid using unofficial links or third-party pages. That helps keep the exchange secure and reduces the chance of mistakes. If something doesn't appear correctly, refresh the page or reopen the chat and profile connection before trying again. With those steps completed, you'll be able to check for active promotions, coordinate with your recipient, and send the gift smoothly and confidently.